Your new Rise and Recline armchair will arrive in a cardboard box. Inside the box, the chair is in two sections. You can remove the chair from the box to aid transportation into the room of your choice. Please keep the box clean and dry until the chair is assembled and you are happy with everything. The base is heavy and requires 2 people to lift it into position. Position the base of your chair. There is a key attached to the wire of the handset. Insert this key into the handset to activate it. Plug the chair into a power socket and, using the handset, put the chair into a fully reclined position. At the back of the chair, there are 2 locator brackets. Position the locator fixings onto the brackets on the base of the chair. When both sides are aligned, push the back firmly down onto the brackets. Double check that the back is fixed firmly in place. It is essential that the back is properly located in position. Lift up the cushions on the seat and fix the fabric to the back panel. Raise the backrest into the upright position using the handset. Secure the fabric flap onto the Velcro strip at the back of the chair. Now relax in your Rise and Recliner chair.